In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an order form in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to head over to the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you click to the link, this is the page that you're going to land on. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to focus on the form section right here in the middle. Then I want you to click on Form Builder. That will take you to the form widgets page. From here, I want you to click on this button that says create a widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the templates section. So on the left hand side here, you have a bunch of different templates they can take advantage of, and then on the right hand side, you get a live and fully interactive preview of what the selected form would look like on your Wix website. Now in that case, since we want to create an order form, what we want to do is go all the way to the bottom and find the order form section. As you can see, at the time of recording this video, there's 14 different templates that you can choose from. Here they are. This is the first page, then you have second page, third, and fourth. Now bear in mind, none of these templates are final in terms of design or functionality. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen right here. So for example, we can get rid of this image right here, we can change the background color, we can remove all of these fields that you see right here and replace them with something entirely different if you wanted to. But yeah, browse through the different templates, choose the one that you like the most, and then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. That will then take you to this page, which is where we can start customizing your order form to your liking. So the first thing you want to do is build out your form. So for this form in particular here, if you take a look at the field section, these are all the different fields that we have on the form. So for example, first name, which is this field right here, then last name, this field, and so forth. You get the point. So for example, if you want to get rid of the consent section at the bottom here, this one right here, click on the three dots next to consent, click on delete, and then the consent section will automatically be deleted from the form itself. In order to add a new field, simply click on the add field button right here, then choose from one of the many available options. It's all pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go into too much detail about these. Now, if you think that it's going to take you too long to create the exact form that you want, what you can do is also use the Elfsight AI form generator right here on the top. Simply click on generate form and then describe in detail the exact form that you're looking for and all the functionality that you expect. Here at the bottom, you also have some notes that you can follow, just like instructions, I guess. But yeah, type in here the specifications of the order form that you like, then click on generate, and then the form will automatically be generated for you. At the bottom here, you also see header, submit button, footer, and success message. These are some more customizations they can take advantage of. So for example, in the header section here, if you click on this, we can get rid of the header entirely, as you can see, just like that. Here you also have a cover image that you can replace if that's relevant for you, or get rid of it entirely. The aspect ratio here of the image, alignment, the title, the caption of the header. The same goes for the submit button here and all the other options. Once you're done with building out your order form, on the left hand side you also see email, layout, appearance, settings, and integrations. These are even more customizations they can take advantage of to further customize your order form. So for example, if you go to layout right here, you can see the current embed type is inline, which basically allows us to position the order form anywhere that we want on the website. The floating pane, however, allows the form to be on the side of the page, which can be opened by the click of a button, as you can see, just like this. That way, the order form will be on every page of your website, unless you choose to customize it so it isn't. Now, in my case, I'm going to go for the inline because I like the look of it and I want to position it in one particular place of my website. The same goes for appearance. You can change the color scheme from light to dark mode if you wanted to. The accent colors, the style of the actual form here, the background, the header. I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of because that will take me too long. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with building out your order form, simply click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your order form widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to this page, which is where we now need to publish the widget. So the top right corner of the screen here, you will see this green button. Simply click on it and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for the free plan right here. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as have more than one widget from Elfsight on your Wix website, or if you expect to get more than 200 views on the order form, then obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options they can choose from, and if you decide to subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go for the different plans, choose the one that works best for you, and then you will automatically be taken to the page, which is where you can copy the code for your order form widget. It's right here. Click on copy code in the top right corner, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm in my Wix website. I'm going to go to the editor, and what I want you to do is from the editor, go to the page and the section where you want your order form added to. Now, if you've chosen the floating pane, it doesn't matter which section you add the form to, it will automatically go to the right hand side of the screen, and then you have the button right here in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, in that case though, since I've gone for the inline option, what I need to do is click on the strip here, or the actual section where I want my order form added to, then go to the search button. You're going to have to follow this exact process either way. So just go to search for HTML, and then underneath add to site, click on embeds right here. Then that's going to open up this window on the left hand side of the screen. I want you to click on embed HTML on this plus icon here that says add to site, and then what that's going to do is add this code block to your website. Now from here, simply paste the code we just copied previously from Elfsight, make sure that here is set to code, and then click on update. Then all you have to do is go ahead and resize your widget. And there you have it. Here is my order form on my Wix website. It looks super nice and clean. As you can see, it's fully interactive. I can click around and fill it out as I see fit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create an order form in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.